Hi everyone. Today I'll be drawing a caricature of the glamorous Nora Fatehi. Let's get started. I begin with light sketching to exaggerate her features slightly, focusing on her confident look and expressive eyes. Next comes the color. Bold reds for her outfit, golden hoops for her earrings, and vibrant shades in her hair. This is where the caricature really comes alive. I add highlights and sharper lines to enhance the caricature feel, giving it a lively and stylish finish. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this Nora Fatehi caricature, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more caricature and portrait art every week.